Hexadecimal 0x00011b printer issue seems to be a result of a potential bug in the LCU rolled out on the 14th of September 2021. There may be two solutions to this error. One is to uninstall the patch and the next is setting up static IP address for the printer. However, you should check Spooler service to ensure that whether it is not creating annoyance. The easiest method to fix this printer error is to remove the cumulative update from your computer. First, press Windows R. Type Control Panel. Select Programs. Press View Installed Updates. Uninstall KB5005627, KB5005563, KB5005565, and KB5005613. Finally, restart your computer. Method 2. Disable the CVE 2021-1678 mitigation. In the Windows search box, type regedit, and select Registry Editor. Navigate to the path-like screen. Create a new DWORD 32-bit value named RPC Authn Level Privacy Enabled, and set it to 0. Once you disable this mitigation, you will no longer be protected from the vulnerability, but it will hopefully allow you to print again. Method 3. Set static IP address for the printer. Click Start and select Settings. Choose Devices. Select Printers and Scanners. Click on Add a printer or scanner. Click on the printer I want isn't listed. Check the option Add a printer using a TCP, IP or hostname and click Next. Type the hostname or IP address of the printer and click Next. If more people use the printer, check the Share this printer so that others on your network can find and use it option. You can test the printer by clicking on Print a Test Page. Method 4. Run Printer Troubleshooter. Printer Troubleshooter is a built-in fix-it tool to detect and repair printing problems on Windows 10. Until Microsoft officially confirms this bug, you should give a try to this troubleshooting tool. Method 5. Check Print Spooler service. Press WinR type service.msc. On the Services window, go to Print Spooler. If it is showing running and automatic in status and startup type columns, then it is perfect. Otherwise, double-click on Print Spooler. On the pop-up that appears, click the drop-down for startup type and select Automatic. Click on Start under Service Status.